So generally we can put one tooth on one implant, but there are times when we can add 3 teeth on 2 implants, making an implant supported bridge. But there are cases in full mouth rehabilitations when we can actually give a set of 12 teeth on 4 to 6 implants. Dental implants look and feel like normal teeth, and you can easily eat with them. That's the reason why we put them on. Dental implants help you to improve your biting ability as they are anchored to the jawbone. Unlike wobbly dentures or dentures which were made earlier, which was supported by tissue, a dental implant is installed inside your bone. Dental implants are normally painless, and they take between 20 to 30 minutes for a procedure. So if you have a single or a multiple missing tooth and you wish to replace them with a dental implant, I'm looking forward to seeing you at Dr. Joy Dental Clinic at the Jumeirah branch.